Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on my channel. Don't be confused when you see sometimes also a German video. I have two playlists or three playlists, and some videos are in German with the same content and also in English. So today we are talking about how to get a parent visa. First question, and this is the question with the most confusion, is when does your child become a Colombian citizen? And when your child is born in Colombia, does your kid automatically become the Colombian citizenship or not? Be careful. There are different constellations we are looking at. First constellation, the easiest one of the parent is Colombian, the other is a foreigner. You have together a child. Of course, the child is Colombian, and the parent who is foreigner can apply the visa through the child. Easy. When both are foreigners and your child is born in Colombia, then it depends if you are a visa holder and what visa holder are you. If you are just a visitor, a visa holder, which is, for example, a digital nomad or a student, or you have a relation visa, these are all in the category of visitors. I have made a special video about what visa types exist. And then your kid is not a Colombian. If the parents are M visa holders, that means migrant visa holder, like retiree, like an investor, like when you're married. These are typically migrant visa holder. Then your kid become a Colombian. Yeah, and don't forget to follow this channel if you're really interested in living in Colombia. Here you find all the information you need, and also share this video with your friends and write in the comments if you have questions. But now we are starting with the required documents that we need when you want to apply a parent visa. Of course, we need your passport, the last entry stamp, and if you have had an M visa or a visa, also your old visa or the actual visa. And then when your kid is already an adult, 18, then the kid or your child has to write you so-called support letter. This has to be handwritten to invite you for the visa. Then, of course, we need profile pictures, and then we need also the birth certificate of your kid, of your child. And now, very important, in the birth certificate, there has to be a note what shows the nationality of your child. This is not automatically done. Usually, you have to ask for that they put this note in the birth certificate that your child is Colombian. Be aware of that. That's very important. This is one of the things most forget. And then, of course, you need the migration history. This is a certificate. We can organize you that if you want to use our service. This is a certificate from the migration where they show all your entries and leavings of the country of the last years. And then, in the case that one of the parent is Colombian, and then, of course, we also need the ID card or passport of this Colombian parent. Then, additionally to this, we need 6 months of your bank statements showing your movements and also how much money you have on your bank account. Furthermore, we need also something like a work certificate, a work contract, and what is your profession. So these are the required documents. Now, very important, they are not required documents, but migration can ask for whatever they want. And sometimes, and very often, they ask for a so-called FBI background check or a crime record. Depends from where you are, this is called different. A certificate from your home country or where you lived the last 3 years. This FBI background check has to be apostolized. That means legalized for Colombia. This is the Hague Convention. Be aware of that. Furthermore, not required, but we recommend this highly, having a health insurance. A health insurance that covers 100,000, and we always recommend that it's valid for at least 1 year, because if your health insurance only is valid for 1 month, they just will give you the visa for 1 month, and this is, I think, not in your interest. Yes, and of course, if you don't want to apply by yourself, we can make that for you. Autarchy, we are working already since 2017 in this area. We are a one-stop shop for expats, serving all the, having all the services like accounting services, tax services, legal advice. We constitute companies for you, and of course, we take care about your visa application, also title work, whatever. As I already said, follow this channel, and then you don't miss any important information if you really want to live in Colombia. Also, there are videos about how to rent an apartment, what are the difficulties, and so on. So then I wish you all the best and hope my information helped you a lot. If you have a question, do not hesitate to call me. A short phone consultation is absolutely free of charge. We don't charge gringo prices. Do not hesitate. We are very transparent with all the prices. You will get a written proposal, everything. And if you have just a short question, just give me a call, my number and everything you see here. Okay, and then I wish you a very nice day and hope to see or hear you very soon. Bye-bye. Dance without a care in those cobblestone streets.